is all messed up, okay? Listen very carefully what is being said.
Go for it.
Yeah.
Then I said slaughtering, okay, to kings, to guests, and you said it's haram. Now you say it's possibly mubah, like your ruling keeps
It
changing.
depends what
like
you mean
within
by
a
it. So,
minute.
I'll make it very clear to you. Like I said just now, slaughtering in the name of the king is shirk. I didn't know what you meant exactly by that. But if you mean by slaughtering in the name of Allah
No,
for
the honor. I
the
said
king,
very
then it's
clearly
fine.
to honor the king, to
Yeah.
honor the king, to honor the guest. I said
So,
very
so are
clearly,
you
you're
slaughtering in the
you're-
name of Allah?
You're slaughtering for them.
Are you slaughtering in the name of the king?
You're slaughtering to honor them.
Right. So you're
So
slaughtering.
So if you slaughter two jinn, but in the name of Allah, is that shirk?
From what I know, that one wouldn't be shirk because you're slaughtering in the name of Allah.
So they are talking about sacrificing animal to jinn, but saying it is for Allah. Think about that. If the sacrifice is direct to jinn, then worship is direct to jinn, right? Saying in the name of Allah doesn't change the act. You can say this magical word of in the name of Allah all day long you want, but it does not change the act. Intention defines the worship, not religion's phrases. This is the breakdown of Tawhid, okay? Allah is being reduced to the formulas. And this shows Allah is not the one actually being worshipped. Who is on the screen? Someone called didn't respond. Daniel Haqiqatjou and Jack the Metaphysician. 3 Muslims who are involved with dawah, inviting people into Islam. And what they are doing, they are debating whether offering a sacrifice to spirit is shirk. That shows how system is already broken. People who are inviting others into Islam, trying to figure out what shirk is not. Think about it. If Allah can be mentioned while the sacrifice is offered to someone else, then Allah is no longer the only object of worship. These dawah gangs, they don't even know what shirk is. The reason they don't know what shirk is because they don't understand what true worship is. This is not just a mess, but this is theological confusion dressed up as careful language. This is Islam very much messed up and pretending to be exact. Keep away from Islam. Literally, keep away from Islam. You don't want to hang out with genies. You don't want to sacrifice things to the genies. No good at all.